The Koala Baseline Survey is the biggest koala survey ever undertaken. We have a large number of sites and we're using two different methodologies that are really effective at finding koalas in the landscape. It's probably one of the biggest surveys in the world. The koala still faces many threats in New South Wales and more broadly, and most of these threats aren't going away. Disease is a big problem for koalas, as is habitat loss. And then there's also the changing climate.
The baseline's telling us where they are, how many there are, and it allows targeted management. Previously, the methods that we used to survey koalas, like scat surveys, diurnal transects and spotlighting, were very time consuming, and you don't see a lot of koalas.
In the Koala Baseline Survey, we're using two methods. One is passive acoustic recorders, which are a sound recorder, and the other is a drone with a thermal sensor fitted to it so we can fly around at night and see hot objects like koalas in the tree canopies. And what we've found is they're really good at finding koalas, and when we go out and look, we find many more koalas than we expected.
The drones that we are using are new technology. They have thermal cameras, a high resolution RGB camera and spotlights on them. These drones are really the state-of-the-art technology. The drone technology has allowed us to survey large areas, places that are really hard to get to on foot.
Passive acoustic recorders are really good at figuring out if koalas are in a location, particularly when they're in low densities. This is really important because it gives us the opportunity to see if koalas are there night after night after night. We've set song meters in thousands of locations in remote areas of bushland that people rarely visit.
We've gone across multiple tenure types of state forest, national park, private land and crown land. We've flown over 6,000 kilometres using drones and recorded 200,000 hours of audio.
What we're working with is big data. We have large amounts of acoustic data, the recordings from the song meters, and then all the video files from the drones. This research will help koalas because it will allow us to manage koalas better. Knowing where they are allows land managers to make active decisions. I feel really good about the work that we've done. I've never been involved in such a large project that's gathered such valuable information. I can see that it's going to be really useful for a long time.